This house still on with the job. It's going to take us all day. I don't know if you recognise this spinner cleaner. I come down and I bought the water softener from you a while ago, or a few years ago now. Still using it. We back flush it every time we finish with it. Using Ionic Quattro, so we've got unlimited purified water on jobs. We don't have to keep filling little tanks up and that. Powered by a Honda silent generator with an Ionic hose reel. The conservatory, which is really bad, Mel's on there now. Working very hard as she always does. I'm just done with the upper. We cleaned the inside of the gutters, just doing all the outside now and everything. There's a survey camera, use it on every job for gutters. All different attachments, different poles, backpack, gardener backpack. We always use Virusol and Laurel dimethane oxide, and that is just a thickener, a surfactant, that one, but they work really well. And we always use, I've tried loads of different products for cleaning. Everburl PVC solvent cleaner, followed by the Unger rub out. These are the products what we always use. We've tried loads of other things in the past, and they aren't very good.